People are currently walking around with tiny square stickers pressed against their shoulders or hips, hoping these little bandages are silently pumping their bodies full of life-changing nutrients. It sounds like a dream for anyone who struggles with swallowing those giant chalky vitamins every single morning. We are looking closely at the Moringa Patch, a product that has been making some serious waves in the wellness world over the last year. Most people are searching for a shortcut because they want the energy and the metabolism boost without the hassle of messy powders or complicated pill routines. Moringa itself is a legitimate superfood. It is a plant that has been respected for centuries because it is loaded with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. There is no doubt that the plant itself is incredibly good for you. The massive question remains whether your skin is actually a doorway or a brick wall. Most of the time, your skin acts as a very effective shield. It is specifically designed to keep the outside world out. While we know that certain medical compounds and nicotine can pass through that barrier, plant extracts like moringa are much more complex. There is a frustrating lack of scientific evidence showing that these specific plant compounds can actually make the journey from a patch, through your pores, and into your bloodstream in any amount that truly matters. When you see people claiming they feel a massive shift in their mood or focus after applying one, you have to consider the power of the human mind. The placebo effect is a very real force in the supplement industry. If you spend your hard-earned money on a new health product, you are naturally more likely to start drinking more water and going to bed earlier. You want the product to work. Those subtle lifestyle changes might be doing all the heavy lifting while the patch just sits there on your arm. Another thing that really stands out is the lack of clear labels on exactly how much extract you are getting per application. Without a specific quantified dosage, you are basically flying blind. It is very hard to call something a legitimate health solution when the actual numbers are fuzzy or hidden. Some users even end up with significant skin irritation. Dealing with an itchy red patch of skin is a high price to pay for a supplement that might not even be reaching your system. The brand behind this patch is not being totally dishonest, though. They are not promising you will turn into a superhero or lose 20 pounds in a week. They are playing it relatively safe with their marketing compared to some other companies. This makes the product less of a scam and more of an experimental luxury for the curious. If you hate pills so much that you simply refuse to take them, maybe this feels like a worthwhile experiment for your lifestyle. However, for everyone else, the traditional way is still the gold standard. Digestion is exactly how our bodies were built to process nutrients. It is a reliable, proven, and efficient system. Why gamble on a sticker when you can just add some moringa to a meal and know for a fact that it is being absorbed? The convenience is certainly tempting, but the science is still struggling to catch up to the marketing hype. It is an interesting concept for the future of wellness, but for now, it feels like we are paying for the idea of health rather than a measurable result. If you are looking for a miracle in a sticker, you will likely be disappointed. View it as a supplemental tool at best, not a total replacement for a balanced diet.